Most traders think they lost money because their strategy is wrong, but the truth is different. They lost because they rushed the entry too early, they panic too fast, and they don't know when to wait. In this session, you will see why waiting is not passive. Waiting is a skill. And when AI controls that waiting, the market starts working with you, not against you. Welcome traders. Today's session is not about finding trades, it's about how trades are handled over time. Zoya AI Shortshot bot doesn't just give signals, it controls when to enter, when to hold, and when to stay inactive. Every pause you will see today is intentional. Every wait has a reason. We are not reacting to candles, we are allowing AI to manage timing. The Telegram channel and bot links are available in the pinned comment. Let's move into live trade and watch how patience becomes profit. So first of all, I click on get signal and the signal comes USD BRL OTC for buy side. I instantly search the pair and place the buy entry here. Pairs like USD BRL is not a pair for a quick reaction. When the bot gives a buy here, it has already confirmed trend continuation, buyer commitment and price stability. During this wait, price may move slowly, pause or show small pullback. We don't respond to any of that. This time is not empty. The bot is validating its decision against real-time behavior. In binary trading, the candle close it is the only movement that carries meaning. Everything before that is just noise. The candle close green, a clean short win. This win did not come from speed, it came from controlled waiting. After the win, we pause again, there's no rush to take another trade. The bot now rescans the market, checks the weather conditions still aligned, and waits for fresh confirmation. This pause protects capital. Not trading is also a decision and AI knows when to make it. So for the next one, I press get signal once more and again receive USD BRL OTC buy side signal. I search the pair and place the buy entry. Back-to-back signals only appear when the structure remains strong. The bot confirms that buyers are not just pushing price but holding control until the close. During this wait, price can hesitate or slow down. That hesitation does not weaken the setup. We stay calm here because timing was decided before the entry was placed. The bot is not watching every tick, it's watching the final outcome. Another green close. Second short win. When consistency repeats, it's no longer coincidence, it's a confirmation. Once again we wait, the bot resets its internal scan, rechecks pressure zones and avoids emotional staking of trades. This waiting phase is what separates disciplined trading from impulsive trading. So again I hit on get signal and the next signal come for USD INR OTC sell side. I search the pair and place the sell entry here. USD INR sell trades में patience और भी important होता है. Bot sell तभी देता है जब buying pressure clear. USD INR requires patience on sell entries. The bot only allows sell when buying pressure has clearly weakened and sellers begin to dominate. During this wait, price may attempt small upward moves. Those moves don't invalidate the signal. The bot focus on exhaustion, not temporary movement. We stay still, we let the candle complete because the close reveals the truth. The candle close trap, a clean sell side win. 3 trades, same patience, same discipline, same AI control execution. Today's session proves one thing clearly. Waiting is not wasted time. Waiting is where discipline is built. Waiting is where mistakes are avoided. And when AI controls that waiting, trading becomes structured and calm. Zoya AI Shortshot bot doesn't push you to trade more, it protects you from trading at the wrong time. That's the truth of trading. If you want clear decisions, control entries, and patience built into your trading, the Zoya AI Shortshot bot and Telegram channel links are available in the pinned comment. Check it and join now. Don't rush the market, let AI manage the timing. Trade smart, trade with Zoya AI.